Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're making homemade coleslaw. It's a great side dish, goes well with hamburgers, goes well with pulled pork sandwiches, it'll go with chicken, just a great all-around side dish. Stay tuned. Today's ingredients are 1 head of cabbage, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, celery seed, and sugar. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we've got our cabbage. We're going to take off any of the dirty leaves. This one isn't too bad, it's been cleaned prior. Then we're gonna cut this into pieces to go in the food processor. We cut around the core so that we've got it out. We're going to just come in and chop these up into smaller pieces. Now we're going to add these to the food processor. You can chop these by hand as well if you prefer. I'm going to get it too full, so we'll do a couple of batches. And we're just going to pulse that. Don't want to get it too fine or make it where it starts releasing too much liquid. It needs a little bit more. This is about what you're looking for. You can do a finer chop or one that's more coarse. It's completely up to your preference. Okay, we're going to start by adding about 5 spoonfuls of mayonnaise. And it kind of has to be done by taste, as the heads of the cabbage are different sizes every time. We're going to stir that in, and we'll add seasonings after we figure out how much mayonnaise we need. Okay, we're gonna put in about 5 more spoonfuls. Stir that with our spurtle. Until a couple of weeks ago, I had no idea what a spurtle was. My wife bought some online. Pretty cool, I like them. Okay, now we're going to put in a little bit of salt. Okay, we'll put in a little black pepper. Okay, we'll put in some celery seed. This is pretty much all done to taste. You can see how much I put in. Kind of start there. Okay, after tasting it, I'm going to put in a little of the pink Himalayan salt, just a little bit. I'm going to put in some more black pepper, a decent amount of that. Some more celery seed. I'll give that several more sprinkles. And we'll mix again. Mayonnaise is about right. Okay, we're going to put another spoonful of mayonnaise, maybe a spoonful and a half. And just a little bit more black pepper. Some people put carrots or apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, even chili powder to give it a kick. But in this recipe, we just want the cabbage to be the star of the show. Please like, comment, and share. Okay, we're going to add just a pinch of sugar. I'm having my wife taste test this off camera. She is the slaw expert, guys. Please subscribe to the channel to help us grow. Okay, we've got this plated up. We've got our coleslaw, we've got some brisket we made in a crock pot, and some macaroni and cheese. I'm going to add a little bit of the Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Vidalia Onion Barbecue Sauce. If you guys haven't tried this, it's amazing. You need to try it. Definitely my favorite barbecue sauce now. Don't go too much because the brisket is very flavorful. And there you have it, homemade coleslaw. Thanks for watching.